Hello, 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 Melissa Pang here, aka the Curly Executive. I am on vacation, and that is why I have these sunglasses. And what I want to show you is right behind me. Look at this place. Look how beautiful this is. We are in Italy still. We are in Arco, right by the Garda Lake. That's what that is down there. And it's a perfect day. It's a perfect, beautiful day in this place with an amazing climate. So today we are going to talk about one of the last questions on my Cash Money Questions worksheet, climate. What is climate? Climate is the environment, right? We have an environment here. It's stunning. What is the climate for your business? How do you think about your business as it relates to the climate? So what do I mean by that? You will see a question on the list that's going to ask about the industry that your company it is in and the time period. And is there something that you're bringing to the table that's relevant into the industry? Are there changes that are occurring in this industry and that are relevant to you? So, for example, if your business was star watching here in this beautiful place where, by the way, at night, the stars are amazing. If you said, okay, this is my industry, I have this product, and all of a sudden you knew that they were going to add some lights down here that were going to affect the ability for people to watch the stars or see the stars even, which by the way, they did. That would be something that's happening in your industry, right? That would be something that you need to think about. You might have a business problem. You might be at risk. Similarly, if you have any product that depends on technology, you have to be 100% on top of what is going on in that space, in that industry, with that technology, because you need to know if one day the rules are going to change. This is really important for people who have businesses that are dependent on promotion from platforms. So if Facebook is your main source of revenue, right? If Instagram is where you get all your customers, then you need to pay attention to what is happening in these spaces. What level of changes are happening and how they're going to affect your promotion, how they're going to affect your customers. It could be positive too, right? So from the positive side is, do you have an innovation that's going to change the game? We all want game changer businesses. Are you bringing out something that you know in 10 or 20 years is going to take everything to the next level? And I want you to be thinking about that now. Like, what is the climate? What is the industry? Hopefully the climate for your business is as beautiful as this view that I have here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel good today. So with that, that was another little marketing moment from Curly Executive. Be sure to follow me online. Be sure to check out and download that worksheet because it's free, guys. It's 100% free. I love y'all. I am gonna go and enjoy this mountain and enjoy this view and enjoy this climate. Don't forget our marketing lesson. And definitely, if you have thoughts, if you have answers to those questions, hit me up on comments. And I look forward to seeing you soon.